I am making a mushroom soup in my Thermomix using a cookie dough recipe, and so far everything I've done on cookie dough turned out great. And I had mushrooms and potatoes and pretty much everything. The Thermomix will measure everything you need. I'll also write down the recipe in the description, but you can make the same thing in a pot. It just like shows me like how much ingredients I need. Right now it's blending celery and garlic. I just skipped carrots. Very nice. And then I have to add some butter, and now it's gonna saute a little bit. Have to take off this cap because the steam will come out, and then it's telling me to do it for 5 minutes and that exact speed. I do really like my Thermomix. Sometimes it's easy to use, sometimes it's more convenient to do it on the stove. Here just adding water, and it also wants me to add vegetable stock, but instead I'm gonna use beef stock. And of course the potatoes, I forgot to zero down the weight of it, so it was just calculating differently. But yeah, I do really like my Thermomix. I don't use it as much as I should, but I'm really trying, really trying. And then mushrooms, I'm using two kinds of mushrooms, the thin Asian ones and the brown one. What kind is that? I forgot. I only had beef stock paste. It says vegetable stock, but I'm not vegetarian. I do love the beef stock from that specific brand, and it's gonna cook for 17 minutes. But when it's done, I always check if the potato or whatever starch is in there is cooked through, and it actually did. So that was the perfect amount for it. The soup was so quick. I think it took definitely less than 30 minutes to cook everything, plus like a little bit of chopping and washing, but it came out amazing. So very quick, kind of low calorie salad, but still really hearty and delicious. Yeah, if you are lazy and you want quick soup, this is a perfect recipe, and also very budget friendly.